All right, this is honestly one of my new favorite things. It's at camp right now, so I can't actually show it to you, but I took a little bit of a video of it. It is a hot dog roller. Very simple, but at camp we eat lots of hot dogs, and my mom actually used this during our last Christmas meal, our big family Christmas meal, just to keep hot dogs and taquitos and pepperoni rolls warm throughout the day. So we use this at camp a lot, and it's amazing. Just buy a couple packages of hot dogs, just keep them on the roller, and you can literally let them sit there on low all day long. If you crank it up to high, it only takes a few minutes to cook them, but if you just leave it on low, then this thing just rolls them all day long, just like at a convenience store. So as you walk out in the kitchen or as you're hungry, you just grab one, throw it on a bun, and you're good to go. Comes in a few different sizes. Some of them have drawers to warm the hot dog buns, some of them don't. They come in different roller amounts. The one that we have is the 30 roller amount. Stupidly simple. Turn it on, turn it off, adjust the front and the back burners. It's that easy. Just leave hot dogs rolling all day. My family uses this. My family loves it, and I would definitely recommend it.